everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I got my Walmart beauty box today. It is the spring box, and so let's open it. I love to get the Walmart boxes. They're only $5. Go to walmart.com and type in beauty box and you can find it where you can subscribe. It comes 4 times a year, every season. Sorry for the loud noise. And the $5 just pays the shipping. They say what's in the box is technically free. So let's see what's in the spring box. I have no idea. Ooh, first thing. This is a wood wick petite candle in lavender spa. It's got that wood wick that's supposed to sound like a crackling fireplace. I can smell the lavender. I do love the scent of lavender. Well, I'm definitely going to burn that and review it at the end of the month. Next, what have I got in here? I got some more of that Hello Natural Whitening Toothpaste. This one is in mint. So there we go. I got a Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizing Cream for sensitive skin. I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to pass this on to my little niece or to her mother. I might give it to my sister-in-law, Laura. She has extremely sensitive skin and there's a lot of things she can't use. And me, this, I'm not going to get any use out of this. So this I'm going to pass on. I won't be reviewing that at the end of the month. There's information on how to win a $100 gift card, stuff on Burt's Bees and on Hello and on the candle. Here we go. Collagen peptides. I guess it's an unflavored dietary supplement. There we go. I assume I can do this. I assume this is something I can do. I'm done with all my cancer treatments. So I would assume this is something I can try. I'm going to read up on that. There we go. I got a face mask. V-Line Chin-Up Mask. Lifting, firming, and chin-up. There we go. This just does the bottom of your face. According to the pictures on the back. It just firms. So I'll give that a try. And I got a cosmetic bag. I've had better Walmart boxes. I'm not going to lie. I've had better Walmart boxes. I don't care anything about the bag. I'll give the bag away. This is nice. I do like that. The toothpaste, that's okay. The candle, that's different. I do like the candle. This, I'm not so sure of, and this I'm not going to use. So, just looking at it, I'm not too impressed by the Walmart box for spring. I have to tell you. I have gotten some great Walmart boxes. This is not one of my favorites. But I'll try a few of these things, and we'll talk about it at the end of the month when I review my subscription boxes and bags. So, thank you all for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when I put up new videos. Like this video if you liked it. And thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time.